is currently Saturday the 8th, which is my move-in day, but the movers that we like to use are only available for tomorrow. So today, me and my mom and my cousin are doing like a very soft move. We're gonna move a few of my things and like that we can carry, and then tomorrow we'll leave it to them to do the big stuff. I'm gonna take like a lot of like the fragile stuff today and then cleaning stuff so we're able to clean today. Guys, so I'm in my apartment and I have to give you guys an empty apartment tour because it's absolutely so beautiful. So I'm gonna take you guys through a tour. I've kind of already started to unload some things. We brought a few things in, but it's still very empty, so here we go. All right, so this is what you first see when you walk in. Here is my kitchen. It's absolutely humongous. This is my refrigerator. Looks like this, and here's my freezer. Hey vlog. So here's an overview of the kitchen. So this is going to be my pantry space, which there's a lot of pantry space. I got these like reusable bags because under me is Publix, so I can walk to Publix and get my groceries with the reusable bags. And then here is more counter space, tons of space up here. It's so nice. My microwave. I love the garage door up here. Okay, and then we have my stove. I love how the knobs are like on the sides. And then a bunch of counter space. It's like very deep in the corner, so a lot of room for appliances. And then here's this, love the clear doors. Here's my little bar area. We've just unloaded some Amazon packages. I'm gonna put like 2 bar stools right here. Right here we have my like maintenance room, I guess you could call it. I'm gonna put like, you know, kitchen stuff and cleaning stuff there. And then here is my living room, which now you can kind of see my view of downtown, but it's actually really huge in here. So this is kind of the view of this. I'll show you guys downtown. Say hi, Mom. Hi. So this is my view. Step out for you guys. It is so beautiful. I love it. It is so nice out today and I can see all of downtown. I love it so much. I love the floor to ceiling windows right here. The sliding glass doors are super nice. So yeah, that is an overview of that. And then from this door, this is my office. So I have this and it's actually really huge in here. So I'm gonna put like my office desk in the middle and a clothing rack over here and then probably one over here as well. And then in here I have my guest bedroom, which has floor to ceiling windows, which is super nice. So you can see downtown as well through here. So it's like curved like this because it's on the side of the building. And then we have this closet. Ooh, so nice. And then right here, we have like my washer and dryer. So this is on the guest side, and then here's the guest bathroom. So I love the countertops. That was a huge reason I picked this place because I loved how white and clean they are. So that's the countertops, and then here's the shower. And then after you leave there, you're back in the living room area. And then this is my room. We put a blow-up mattress in here because I might have to sleep here tonight. So I just kind of left it in here. But here is my view from my room. You can see all the beautiful buildings of downtown Tampa. Here is one closet. I put my shoe racks in here. And then I have room over here for some stuff. And to put stuff up here. And then on this side, this is my walk-in closet. So I put one shoe rack over here and then I have a bunch of space like all around. And then from that closet, you have the master bath, which is beautiful. So the counters again are like that beautiful, I don't know if it's like marble, but it's stunning and I love the faucets. I just love everything about it. My toilet, I put a trash can over there. Here's my tub and then here's my shower. Super nice, love the tile. I put this up already because I am gonna move all that stuff in tomorrow. There's a ton of cabinet space under here, which is amazing, like there and all that stuff. So really love all of that. But yeah, that is it for my little empty apartment tour. It's super nice. Let me know what you guys think, but I love it a lot. And I love the view. Let's see if it'll load. So here's the view from my bedroom window, which is nice. I love how huge these windows are. They're really, really big windows. I love it. But yeah, that is the little overview. We're all just kind of unpacking and just doing simple stuff around here, and tomorrow is going to be the bigger day for sure. Here are some of my appliances that I want to show you guys. I'll link everything in my full apartment tour, which will be in a few weeks, but I did all gold appliances. So I got like my garlic press and stuff like that. It's all gold. And then up here, nothing so far up here. Got my like little strainer here, which is nice. Got my like little oil bottle, my dish scrubbies, and I put some stuff here. So these are like my little colanders. I got all gold, and then my little mixing bowls in here. And I also didn't know this, but like look, I have like little spice racks, so I can put all my stuff here. This apartment's super nice. And obviously all of the pantry space, and then I love the space up here as well. Really nice and very, very, very spacious. I just did some cleaning and I set out some of my candles and then all my perfumes, but we're gonna call it a night and come back tomorrow when it's the official day of move-in and move in the rest of my stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
You guys, it's officially move-in day. Woo! I have my voice back. I'm so excited. Here's my beautiful mom, and we're taking the exit to downtown right now. It is so beautiful out today, and I'll be living on that side of downtown, which is so exciting. This is my brother. He's currently driving the U-Haul. I don't know how I honestly was able to fit everything in a 10-foot U-Haul. Well, we have mover guys, which they're super sweet guys. So I don't know how they were able to honestly fit everything because I have so much stuff, but they were able to do it, and it's currently 3:22 in the afternoon. And now it's time to unpack and do the fun part, and I'm just so excited, yay! Hey guys, we are currently building my bed frame. This is in the guest bedroom, so I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up of what it looks like for two amazing, strong, beautiful women to build a bed frame. So here we go. There we are. Here we go. Apply pressure. No. Boom. Perfect. Bam. Look guys, we did it. The whole thing is done. Honestly, you wouldn't think it took that much work, which it definitely didn't, but we're still proud of ourselves, right Sarah?
Definitely.
Definitely still proud of ourselves. All right, here we go. Hey guys, it's the next day and my couch is being delivered. They are probably gonna be here any minute, and it's a beautiful white sectional. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of what we've done in the living room because I haven't been vlogging too much, but I promise I'll be vlogging from here on out. And I'm gonna show you guys kind of what we're working with. So when you walk into my apartment, we set up these little things. These are from West Elm. Pampas grass is from Amazon, and then the vase is from West Elm. I'll be linking everything in my official apartment tour, so stay tuned for that. I've got a little copper boot tray. My Dyson comes today, so I promise you I'll be cleaning. Y'all know I'm a clean freak, but this little copper boot tray just for like shoes and stuff because I don't wear shoes in the house, only slippers that are not used for outdoors. And then here we are for the kitchen. I've changed all the light bulbs in this whole place because I need white lights. I know that's very extra, but that's just how I am. So I've done that and it looks so much better in here. We've got all this stuff set up to do a little bit later. And then here we are for the living room. I got this chandelier from West Elm and we've installed it. We got to put lights in it, but I just needed more lighting in here, especially for at night because, you know, a downtown apartment, you really are here for the view and no lights. So I picked this up from West Elm and I love it. So this is like the focal point, which is so cute. It's so art deco and modern. Oh, I think they're calling me, hold on. I'll give more of a tour later, but indeed that was the couch guys and they're coming up to deliver and assemble my couch. So this is the space before. Let me give you guys at least like a little before So you guys can see, I got this blue chair over here, and it's gonna go right over here. And of course we have my TV. There's so much to be cleaned, trust me, I know, but it's gonna go right in here. I'm so excited for my cat. Woo! Woo!
Bringing us some good goods today.
Is it comfy? Is it a comfy test? Put my booty on it. Oh my god, it's very comfy. Oh my gosh. I take a nap right here. Woo! It's so comfy. This is nice. This is very nice. Woo! Lovely. Oh, I'm happy.
I'm not gonna do it because I can't.
The lumbar pillows are so nice.
Yeah, mine.
The lumbar pillows! Woo!
January 17th.
Come in. Hi.
So she's gonna have it like in the middle of like here, facing the TV.
White.
But it's white, but you're right, it's white.
I'm gonna have to be real careful.
And don't let people sit on the arms and on the
No,
back.
I won't.
Dad has a bad habit, I'm just telling you now.
Such a nice couch. All right, here is the sectional. This is what it's looking like. It's so beautiful. It's like a cloud couch. I love it. It's super deep set, super plush when you touch it. And I have this little side table that I got from NATO Furniture, which is, they have one in Charlotte and they also have one here in Tampa. So it's like a one-of-a-kind piece, really beautiful. And it's a 4-piece chase sectional. So I can move this to the middle. I can move it to this side, which I really love. But so far, this is what we've got. And it's so beautiful. This is my coffee table. I'm gonna be doing an Amazon video of like Amazon apartment favorites, but this is my coffee table. It's beautiful, it's glass, it's very sleek, very simple, very modern. So we're waiting on my rug still, but I still wanna put everything together because my rugs might not get here till next week, and it's currently Thursday, and I have my maids coming next week to clean, so I'd rather have everything kind of put together. Are you guys ready for this couch reveal? We just designed it, we put the coffee table up, and I'm gonna get emotional, it's just so pretty. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here is the big reveal. I did a lot of this color blue, I'm really into this blue, and I think it's honestly just timeless, so beautiful color blue. So it ties in over here in this chair, which is also from NATO Furniture. It's the same exact color, and my office chair is the same exact color, which goes in there. So it ties in all around. This Prada sign is going up here. It's from Oliver Gal. Got my beautiful plant. Yes, it's real. I just got her. And we have this from Home Goods. All these pillows are from Z Gallery. I just got them. And yeah, and so then on the coffee table, we have this Louis Vuitton book, which I got from Julia Moss Designs. These trinkets, which I got from Home Goods. And then this is also from Home Goods. It used to be in my bedroom, but now it just looks super good in here. And the Prada sign is gonna tie it all together. And then I have a big floor lamp, which is gonna hang over, coming from West Elm in gold. So that'll also tie it all together. And of course, the chandelier just makes it all so Art Deco and cute. We're still trying to figure out what to do up here. I hate all these like routers and stuff, so I'm pushing these as far back as possible. But I like this Tom Ford book here with my little thing. I got this in my birthday vlog. I just don't know, honestly, the vibe of it, and I could honestly turn it sideways, which might look better like that. So that's an option. And then we have this, both are from Target, the blanket and then the gold holder.
Several days later.
Hey guys, it's been a few days, but I wanted to give you like a little update on my first move-in vlog and show you guys kind of how everything looks. And then I'll be doing another one, move-in vlog number 2, so stay tuned for that. But this one is gonna be the end of the first one. So starting in my kitchen, my dad and I put lights, well mainly him, underneath my counters, and I can change the colors, which is super cool. It just looks very cool. So I'm always gonna leave this on, honestly. Got all my smeg, got my little sink caddy, my Nespresso little area. I love this area so much. I got these gold pumps from Amazon, which I'll have everything linked in my official apartment tour, like literally everything. So stay tuned for that if you guys want links to everything in my apartment. It's gonna be like a huge list of like 100 things. Currently have a candle going, champagne toast, got my beautiful white knives, I love them. My little Persian teapot, and then utensils, and then smeg stuff. And then leading in here, this is my pantry, so I've just got it stocked up with things that I typically eat on a daily basis. So moving on into here, you guys have seen this, I'm pretty sure. These are all from West Elm, and then my pampas grass, and then this is from West Elm. You guys haven't seen these yet. These are bar stools, and they're super nice. They're from Amazon, and I love them. I really wanted to go with like jewel tones in my apartment, so I'm glad I incorporated blue, and the blue is so complementary to this pink, especially it being velvet. And then the gold, I love it so much. And then in here we have kind of like my utility closet. Got all my O-Cedar cleaning supplies, and then my Dyson V15 Detect, which I love so much. It's super, super amazing. So that's all for this closet. So this is actually what you're gonna be seeing us do in move-in vlog number 2. We'll be hanging up this little Persian tapestry up here, and that'll be put away. And then also in move-in vlog number 2, you'll see this Prada sign go up, and then the sign's also over my bed, which I'm gonna unbox in my move-in vlog number 2 for you guys. Got all my plants, which I love. And it's just looking super, super good in here. It's really nice at night. And then this is my office chair. Blue, of course, really beautiful seashell vibe. And I'm super obsessed with how it's coming together. So that is it for my first move-in vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll have way more stuff in my move-in vlog number 2, so stay tuned for that. I am so excited to see this apartment come even more together than it already has. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.